Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dominique. If you are new here, please make sure that you subscribe to this channel and like this video if you liked it. I'm in this new setting, which is my bathroom. I wanted to give you all a few styles on how you can style your synthetic wig, okay? If you're curious about the details on this wig, I have an entire video about this wig, including another wig, the same wig, except in the color one. So if you're interested, I'll leave it up in the cards above. Like I said, I don't want to make this intro too long, but I just wanted to give you all a few ideas on how you can style this wig. I didn't know what else to do with it, but then I was just like, girl, play around, let's figure out some things you can do with it and get the most bang for your buck. And it was only $15. So I hope you all enjoy, and I will see you all in my next one.
Hey y'all, so I'm going to be doing a voiceover just to explain some of the hairstyles that I'm doing for today's video. So essentially right now I'm just throwing on the wig, using the combs to secure it. But I find that using the combs kind of pull out my hair, so if you want to just use bobby pins on the side to secure it down, you could definitely do that. All right, so the first hairstyle is going to be a simple side part. Now, the cool thing about this is I'm going to show you all a trick that I learned from somebody here on YouTube. I will leave her link down below so that way you all can see how she did it. But what you're going to need is a rat tail comb, and you're going to use the end of that rat tail comb to pull up your hair. Now, as you can see, this is going to cover up the beginning of this half wig, so that way people aren't staring dead at a half wig, you know, sitting on top of your head. So your hair is going to cover that piece up. Now, in order to go ahead and give off more of the illusion that this isn't a wig, you're going to use a bobby pin and some gel to go ahead and lay down some of the hair that you pulled out, not completely out, but some of it to cover up the wig itself. You're going to secure it down using a bobby pin, as you can see here. And this is just going to further enhance that illusion of a IV flip over method or a sew-in. All right, I'm going to just use a pick just to fluff out the hair a little bit and to make it a little bit bigger. And here you have style number one, a side part. All right, moving on to look number two, is just going to be a simple faux bang. Essentially, what you're gonna do is just bring some hair from the top, bring it to the front. Now from the top, make it drop like that, you know? And you're going to pull out some of the hair and then you're gonna bring it back. Now to secure it, you're gonna use bobby pins. This is going to give the illusion of bangs without you having to cut the wig. Now, obviously, if you wanna go ahead and cut this wig, go ahead and do so, but I wasn't ready to cut the wig yet, so I'm just giving it the illusion of a faux bang. Here, I'm gonna take a headscarf, tie 2 knots, and then from there, I'm just gonna secure the ends of that scarf in the back. The scarf is definitely going to conceal the side part of your wig. And then here I'm gonna go ahead and just take a pick out my hair and make it a little bit bigger. And that completes look number two. Now on to look number three. I'm gonna take out some pieces in the front, you can see here. And then I'm gonna take the rest of the wig and put it up in a high bun. This is gonna be a messy look. Obviously the hair is already frizzy. I don't wanna make any of these hairstyles super neat. I want them to be as effortless as possible. So here I'm just taking the scrunchie, wrapping it around once. Fluffing out that bun, using a scarf to cover up the sides of the wig, tying 2 knots once again. And then here, I'm just gonna take some pieces out from the bun. Like I said, this is a messy bun, or messy looks, effortless looks. So I'm gonna take some pieces out just to play off of that messy look. Girl, I thought someone was coming to my apartment, child. All right. All right, and this completes the look. All right, this next look is gonna be the same exact look, except I'm just gonna put those two pieces on the side up. I'm gonna put them up, put them away, and then I'm just gonna tie that scarf back down, and this will complete my next look. All right, so the next look is also going to feature a bang, but not a short bang. I'm just gonna essentially take some hair, put it to the side, and then on the other side, just take a little piece, wrap my scarf around the side of my head, tie that up, and here I'm gonna put the rest of my hair into a low, like I said, effortless ponytail. So it's gonna be a low hanging ponytail, nothing too tight, and here you have my next look. Super simple, very cute, very casual. You can actually get away with this hairstyle by not wearing a headband. I wore it out once and you could definitely get away with it. You just have to wear your ponytail really low. This is the next hairstyle, same hairstyle, just put it up in a bun and that's it. Alright, so I hope you all enjoyed those hairstyles. I was literally coming up with them like at the top of the head while filming them, but I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, like I said, make sure you go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, and leave me a comment down below. I love chatting up with y'all. If y'all have any questions, any comments, and I hope you all enjoyed, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye, y'all.